is the day. Today is our challenge day. We will put our girls in a situation to compete between hot and cold foods. This isn't just a food face-off, it's an eternal fight between hot and cold. Let's start this party and let's get going. This time we have Emma and Sophie facing each other on this Sky and Hell challenge. You go first, girl. No, you go first. Well, I'm not doing this. Oh God, I can't watch. Here it comes. Oh, it's frozen fries. Dull and boring. Is it even possible to have a bite of it? Is it? No, this is unedible. Oh, that means Emma has cooked fries. You lucky girl. Emma, wake up. Oi, what's happening? Are we done yet? Oh, nice. I've got cooked fries. Delicious. Hey, Emma, look, I can be a walrus. Look at me. I have big and scary tusks coming out of my mouth. Hey, Sophie, I'm a walrus as well. We're like walrus sisters. Fries obviously can only be eaten cooked. But with frozen ones, you can have so much fun as well. Did we order these? This seems to be interesting. Shall we dig in? All right, I'll go first. Ouch! It's boiling hot! I wonder what's over here. A frozen Coke? Well, here we go. What's this? It's hot soda? I can't even smell it from here. Mine is frozen ice. Look how hard it is. Ah! It's very hot. Well, maybe I can use this towel to pick it up and have a small taste of it. Much better. Now I can grab this glass. Here we go. Let's see how it tastes. Yuck! It's like hot sugar. I'm not drinking any of this. I need to get it open. It is. Oh God, seems it's going to explode. Feels like I'm holding a ticking bomb. I wonder if I will be able to drink it now. Well, if I can't drink it, maybe I can have a Coke smoothie instead. Well, it's not happening either way for me. Well, I hope this time it will be something good. I'm going first. Yes! Ice cream! Cold ice cream! Oh God, this is exciting! I want ice cream too. Ouch! Seems mine is all melted and warm. That is a disappointment. I really wished for good ice cream. Oh, I am on cloud 9 with my ice cream. Why is my life so miserable? On the other hand, it's not so bad. It's like somewhat cream soup. Well, I would still be glad to have a good bite of real ice cream. Sorry. What is happening here? Do you mind? Beat it, Anna. It's my ice cream. Just a small bite, Sophie. Oh my God, it's so much better than that ice cream soup or whatever. I know, right, Anna? Good luck dealing with your soup. What's next? I'm not opening this time. No, not me. All right, Sophie, no worries. Oh, it's sushi. Lovely. Oh, but it's all frozen. Look, even wasabi is frozen and hard. So, wait a minute. If Emma has frozen ones, that means my sushi is normal. Oh gosh, this is painful for my teeth. Well, I am loving mine. Maybe if I put some Tabasco on it, it might turn warm. Logical. Good thinking, girl. Let's see what is going to happen. Oh, it's so hot! Quick, fire! Oh God, my mouth is burning! Fire rescue! Cold sushi! Ah, yes, this is refreshing. Fire is down. But if it's too cold, it's not something possible to eat. Still, good for putting pepper fire off. All right, girls. What do you think you have it here now? You go first, Sophie. You've been the lucky one recently. Ready, steady, go! An orange? A cold orange? Well, that means mine is... Ouch! Cooked? What on earth? I can't do with a frozen orange. Maybe it's warm inside and maybe I can somehow open it. Well, my head, it's not helping it. I knew this will come in handy. I wish I could have some cinnamon on it. It smells so good. Let's try using big guns. I knew that blow dryer will come in handy sooner or later. It's like its own portable heater. Oh gosh, this orange smells good. But too hot to eat it. Mind if I borrow your knife? Let's try opening this little baby. Someone is craving for some orange juice. Man, this thing is juicy, isn't it? Still going. Fresh squeezed orange juice, anyone? Ah, there you go. That tastes delicious. Turns out oranges taste just as good chilled as they do warm. Bon appetit, ladies. Ready for the next challenge, girls? Let's see what you have over there. Noodles! Yes! They seem to be warm. I'm sure I will have good noodles as well. Frozen noodles? How am I supposed to eat those? Yes! This is delicious. Maybe I can somehow crush the ice and have a bite of it? Let's try removing them from the cup. Well, they are pretty badly frozen, I guess. Anna, that doesn't look satisfying in any way. Well, whatever. What if I could just take a bite of this giant frozen noodle piece? Ouch! It hurts my teeth. No, I give up. Sophie, mind if you will share some of your noodles with me? Seems that noodles can be eaten one way only. Warm and only warm. All right, let me go first this time. Oh, an egg. Seems pretty normal. I have an egg as well. They both look the same. Oh, okay. Mine is frozen. I can't even break the yolk. Classic frozen food. Hard and tough as a brick. Mine is delicious. Look at that yolk. Can't wait to have a bite of it. Look at that. Yolk comes out just like that. Maybe I can have a bite of it. Oh, that doesn't look too good. Ouch, my teeth. It's disgusting. I can't eat my egg like that. All right. On 1, 2, 3. Let's eat. Brilliant. Fried chicken, my favorite. And, of course, it's frozen. That means mine is warm and edible. How am I supposed to eat those? They are hard as bricks. All right, let's try taking a bite. Not happening. I am loving it. This is delicious on many cosmic levels. Mind sharing some of that with me? Of course. I can't get enough of this chicken. It's too delicious. Let's see who's going to be lucky this time around. A double cheeseburger! Yes, please. Oh, God, please let it be something good and warm. A burger! Yes. At first glance, seems to be normal and as it should be. Oh, God, this is heaven. It's so tasty and warm and nice. This is one tasty burger I'm having. Can't wait to have mine eaten. Oh, this is bad. It's all cold. It's frozen. What am I going to do with it now? This is a total disaster. I was craving for something like a good burger. At least the pickles are here. I know. Hey, Anna, take these pickles. Oh, thanks, Sophie. Now I can play with these pickles and have pickle eyes. Look at me. I am Pickle Eye. Quick, before Anna sees me. Oh, yes. That's what I wanted. Nice. Hey, that's not fair, Sophie. You sneaky girl. I just really wanted a bite of it. Well, you could have just asked me for one. What foods do you like served hot or cold? Is there something that you prefer eating always hot rather than cold? Or is there something you will be able to eat hot and cold? Let us know in the comments section.